बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने 10th क्लास का एक्सरसाइज 2.5 और यूनिट 2 करना है। कल हमने एक्सरसाइज 2.4 कंप्लीट की थी और इंशाअल्लाह आज हम 2.5 कंप्लीट करेंगे। तो देखते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 गिवन है, राइट द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हैविंग फॉलोइंग रूट्स। Part A 1 5. First of all we have to find sum and product of given roots. Sum is equal to 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Product 1 into 5 equal to 5. Quadratic equation here, x square minus sx plus p is equal to 0. By putting the values of s and p in given equation, x square minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Part F minus 1 minus 7। इसके लिए s minus 1 plus minus 7 equal to minus 1 minus 7 minus 8. Product P is equal to minus 1 into minus 7 minus minus plus 7 1 7. Quadratic equation, x square minus sx plus p is equal to 0. X square minus 8x plus 7 p is equal to 7 is equal to 0. X square minus plus 8x plus 7 is equal to 0. Understand? Now part G, 1 plus iota 1 minus iota। इसके लिए s इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस आयोटा प्लस 1 माइनस आयोटा, प्लस आयोटा माइनस आयोटा कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, 1 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 2। प्रोडक्ट p इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस आयोटा इंटू 1 माइनस आयोटा, 1 प्लस आयोटा इंटू 1 माइनस आयोटा रिजेंबल टू a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a प्लस b इंटू a माइनस b। 1 प्लस आयोटा 1 माइनस आयोटा इक्वल टू 1 माइनस आयोटा स्क्वायर। वी नो दैट p इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस आयोटा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1। 1 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 2। इक्वेशन इज दैट x स्क्वायर माइनस sx प्लस p इज इक्वल टू 0। एक्स स्क्वायर s 2 है, माइनस 2x प्लस p 2। एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0। h पार्ट h 3 प्लस 2 अंडर रूट 3 माइनस 2 अंडर रूट। We have to find sum and product of these roots. Sum 3 plus 2 under root plus 3 minus 2 under root, plus 2 under root minus 2 under root cancel, 3 plus 3 6. Now product P is equal to 3 plus 2 under root into 3 minus 2 under root resemble to a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So we can write 3 square minus 2 under root square, 4 minus under root से square cancel, 2 4 minus 2 is equal to 2। इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे s और p की वैल्यूज, x स्क्वायर माइनस एस एक्स प्लस पी इज इक्वल टू 0, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 2 is equal to 0. That is the answer. Now we are starting question number 2. If alpha beta are the roots of equation x square minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0, form equation whose roots are 2 alpha plus 1 2 beta plus 1. First of all हमने इसका सम और प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करना है. S इज इक्वल टू अल्फ़ा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी ओवर ए. बी -3 है, -3 ओवर ए 1 इक्वल टू +3. प्रोडक्ट अल्फ़ा बीटा इज इक्वल टू सी ओवर ए, C6 A1, 6 over 1 is equal to 6. Now we have to solve 2 alpha plus 1 2 beta plus 1. Sum is equal to 2 alpha plus 1 plus 2 beta plus 1. इन दोनों को ऐड कर देना है. 2 अल्फ़ा प्लस 2 बीटा प्लस 2, 2 कॉमन, अल्फ़ा प्लस बीटा प्लस 1, 2 इंटू अल्फ़ा प्लस बीटा 3 प्लस 1, 2 इंटू 4 equal to 8. Now we have to find product of the root. P is equal to 2 alpha plus 1 into 2 beta plus 1. 2 to 4 alpha beta plus 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 1, 4 alpha beta plus 2 common into alpha plus beta plus 1. Putting the values of alpha beta and alpha beta, alpha plus beta from sum and product of the roots. 4 into alpha beta 6 plus 2 into alpha plus beta 3 plus 1, 4 6 24, 3 to 6 plus 1 24 plus 6 30 plus 1 31. इक्वेशन फॉर्म करनी है हमने. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एस एक्स प्लस पी इज इक्वल टू 0, एक्स स्क्वायर S8 माइनस 8x प्लस P 31 is equal to 0. That is answer. Now part D, alpha beta, alpha over beta, beta over alpha. First of all we have to find sum alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. LCM alpha beta, beta divided by alpha beta is equal to alpha, alpha square plus alpha divided by alpha beta, beta square, alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta over alpha beta. Now putting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta from sum and product of the roots. Alpha plus beta 3 square minus 2 into alpha beta 6 over 6, 3 3 9 -12/6 is equal to -3/6, which is equal to -1/2. Now we have to find product of the root. Product is equal to alpha over beta into beta over alpha. Alpha cancel by alpha, beta cancel by beta is equal to 1. Now equation is x square minus sx plus p is equal to 0. X square s minus 1/2 minus 1/2 plus p 1 is equal to 0. X square plus 1/2 x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now part E, alpha plus beta into 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Sum alpha plus beta plus 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Alpha plus 1 by alpha plus beta plus 1 by beta. LCM alpha beta. 1 divided by alpha beta is equal to alpha beta. Here alpha square beta plus alpha divided by alpha beta equal to beta. Beta multiplied by 1 is equal to beta plus 1 divided by alpha beta is equal to alpha beta. Alpha beta multiplied by beta, alpha beta square plus beta divided by alpha beta equal to alpha. Alpha multiplied by 1 is equal to alpha. Now we have to combine alpha plus beta plus alpha square beta plus alpha beta square over alpha beta. Alpha plus beta plus alpha beta common into alpha plus beta over alpha beta. By putting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta in equation, alpha plus beta 3 plus alpha beta 6 into alpha plus beta 3 over alpha beta 6. 3 plus 18 over 6, 18 plus 3, 21 over 6, 7 3 21, 3 2 6, 7/2 it is equal to sum. Now we have to find product of the root. Products alpha plus beta. Now we have to find product of the roots. Product P is equal to alpha plus beta into 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta equal to alpha plus beta into alpha beta LCM. Alpha divided by alpha beta is equal to beta. Beta multiplied by 1 is equal to beta plus beta divided by alpha beta is equal to alpha. Alpha multiplied by 1 is equal to alpha. Now alpha plus beta, beta plus alpha. Change to alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta square over alpha beta. Now putting the values of alpha plus beta over alpha beta from the roots. Alpha plus beta 3 square over alpha beta 6. 339 over 6. By simplifying, 9 by 6 equal to 3 by 2. Now putting the values of sum and product in equation, x square minus sx plus p is equal to 0. X square minus s 7 by 2, x plus p 3 by 2 is equal to 0. 2 LCM है, मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 2, 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. That is required equation. Now question number 3. If alpha beta are the roots of equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, form equation whose roots are alpha square beta square. First of all, we have to find sum and product of the given equation. Sum alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a, minus b equal to minus p over a 1 equal to minus p. Product p is equal to alpha beta equal to c over a, c q over a 1 equal to q. Now part A है alpha square beta square. Sum of the roots alpha square plus beta square. We know that alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Putting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Alpha plus beta minus p square minus 2 into alpha beta q is equal to p square minus 2q. P square minus 2q. Now product p is equal to alpha square beta square equal to alpha beta whole square. Alpha beta equal to q square. Now equation is x square minus sx plus p is equal to 0. X square minus sx, s p square minus 2q, p square minus 2q into x plus p q square is equal to 0, which is required equation. Now part B, alpha beta, beta over alpha, alpha over beta into beta over alpha. First of all, we have to find sum alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. Taking LCM, alpha beta, beta divided by alpha beta is equal to alpha, alpha multiplied by alpha, alpha square plus alpha divided by alpha beta equal to beta, beta multiplied by beta is equal to beta square. We can write it alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta over alpha beta. By putting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta from sum and product of the roots. Alpha plus beta. Now putting the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta from sum and product of the roots. Alpha plus beta minus p स्केयर माइनस 2 इंटू अल्फ़ा बीटा क्यू ओवर अल्फ़ा बीटा क्यू इक्वल टू पी स्केयर माइनस 2q ओवर q. Now product of the roots alpha over beta multiply by beta over alpha is equal to 1. Equation is x square minus sx plus p is equal to 0. X square minus s p square minus 2q over q x plus 1 is equal to 0. Multiplying by q equal to q x square minus p square minus 2q into x plus 1 is equal to 0, which is required equation.